So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing lab, that is advanced visualization with TensorFlow data validation. So first of all, click on start lab and open the console incognito window, and if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's open the console, and here it is getting signed in automatically. If you need username and password, always check the lab instruction for here it. You have to just click on I agree and continue. Now the next step is that we have to open the Vertex AI workbench notebook. Okay, from the navigation menu you have to just find out the Vertex AI like this, and from here just open the workbench, so it will be opening. Now one more important thing is this: sometimes the APIs are not enabled. In such cases you have to go over here and then click on dashboard, because sometimes there is some glitches you must be knowing if you have completed any Vertex AI lab. Now wait for the page to fully load. Here finally it's loaded. Now click on enable all recommended APIs. It will take some time to update, and it will show again same thing, that is enable API. You can ignore it. Now click on the workbench on the left. Now here we have to create a Jupyter notebook. How you have to create? Make sure first of all you are in the instance section. Okay, instance section, and then come over to the lab instruction, and then first of all here copy the name from here. Okay, and make sure the region and zone is same as per the lab instruction. We have to create a workbench. So on the top you can see there is create new. Just create new and just paste the name and the region. Just update it, and like this make sure all things are same as per the lab instruction. Now click on create. Now it will take at least 3 to 2 minutes, even more. So you need to wait till the workbench is ready. Okay. Once the workbench is ready, it will show open Jupyter lab. You need to wait, and if you want to, means if you face any issue you have to just reset it. But now we are just opening the Jupyter lab and it will take some time, so wait for it. So finally it's ready. Now here you have to click on Python 3 notebook and then come to the lab instruction. Now from the task number 2 you have to copy it carefully. Okay, just copy it and paste over here and just click on this run. Now all the tasks, basically the repo will be cloned and you will get the score without any issue once this is completed. Okay, first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, I think I said multiple times okay, no need to worry about it. Now once it's done, we'll check the score and we'll be done with the lab. And if they update the lab or any other instructions are updated, you can comment down below. I will definitely make an updated tutorial on it, and you will be able to complete just as quick. Now let's check the score, and that's how we completed this lab. If you need any other lab or any other assistant, you can comment down below. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.